This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Bob Corey Team. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1-story home on oversized cul-de-sac lot. Open floor plan with engineered laminate flooring throughout living areas, kitchen, and formal dining. Kitchen features double ovens, set-in gas ranch, huge island, upgraded 42 inches cream color cabinets, travertine backsplash, and granite countertops. Formal dining room is being used as game room but is big enough to have a 10-person table. Study nook west/granite desktop and drawers. Everyday entry includes mud bench with cubies and large closet. Primary bedroom with lots of windows and crown molding. Primary bathroom with double sinks, separate shower and garden tub, upgraded tile surround west/glass tile accent. Primary closet is 9 by 13 with lots of shelving and door to laundry room. Garage has 4 feet extension. Covered patio and yard big enough for a pool, sitting area, and play set. Resort-style community pool, playgrounds, dog parks, lakes, and trails. In highly desired Katy ISD. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Corey Team at 281-394-4608.